Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah.
'cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now too.
Now I'm just going to head to the grocery store and get some things I need. And then I want to cook because I'm really hungry, like really, really hungry. So, yeah.
And I promise to God I'll cut you off, but I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
So now I'm back home, and as you see, I'm sweating profusely, and I don't like that actually. So if you hear my washing machine in the background, it's basically just my laundry. But anyway, I'll give you a quick haul of everything. So I got some figs washed in this little cute colander, and I'll put it then into my organizers in the fridge. And yeah, then I got myself some bananas. I just got 2 because I don't eat that many bananas, and an avocado. These ones I'm gonna put here. So then I got myself some flat peaches. Gonna wash them with the figs. I got my favorite snacks. These are just some rice waffles with chocolate. I got this spice for my avocado, so I want to try this actually out. That's why I also bought avocado. Then I just got some vinegar because I love to clean with my vinegar, because it works like wonders. So I really like it if I want to clean something and just get it squeaky clean. Then I also got some blueberries because I've been obsessed with blueberries. Then I got myself some corn. I just got myself a yogurt. And then lastly, I got the cutest toilet paper. I already ran through this pack of capybara toilet paper.
I really hate you, 'cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off, but really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know I'm on self-respect, 'cause I the door straight through the wall. Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take.
This is my food. I have no idea what I did. I just did it on top of my head and it tastes delicious. I used some eggplant, carrots, spring onions, garlic, and then these noodles, which I first boiled and then I tried to give them some color with soy sauce. And yeah, that's a finished meal.
Time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Don't wanna take it. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Let me get I can get every time I think about you, baby. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring.